Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Now I'm using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is baby parrot. Draw the baby parrot outline like this. And my eyes. Draw the body like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Here I'm drawing mother parrot. Draw like this. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Draw like this. Outline. Draw the outline like this. I am drawing mom bird, low letter, and letter. I am drawing heart shape. Draw like this. I am drawing small flower. Draw the petals like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Flower like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Now I am using red color brush pen. If you want, you can use red color sketch pen or color pen. Here I am using green color highlighter, parrot green color highlighter. If you want, you can use brush pen, color pencil, crayon, oil pastel, whatever you want. I am using highlighter. The parrot. This is red color brush pen. Brown color brush pen. I am using yellow color brush pen for round shape. Now I am using pink color brush pen for this flower. Same color repeat here. If you want, you can use any other colors. Now I am using green color brush pen, dark green color brush pen. Draw like this. Here I am using green color highlighter for leaves. Now I am using red color brush pen. Fill this space with red color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors, color pencil, crayon, whatever you want. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this mom board with yellow color brush pen. Here I am drawing Happy Mother's Day word. This is happy word. Draw the P letter like this. This is Y letter. Here I am drawing mother word. M word. T letter. H letter. E letter. R letter. This is S letter. This is D word. D-A-Y. I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this word with light blue color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using light blue color brush pen. Draw the two lines like this. And round shape.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and
using red color brush pen.